This is a message for learners affected by today's announcement about the assessments that will replace exams next year. Full details of today's announcement are on the above link. The internal assessments will not start before the 22nd of February and will not go beyond the 23rd of April. This does not mean that there will be lots of them, just that there will be plenty of time, especially if there are any more periods of disruption or self-isolation. External assessments will take place between the 17th of May and the 29th of June. I know that some learners have been worried about whether these are exams by another name, and that is not the case. There will be no nationally set papers that all learners across Wales sit at the same time in an exam hall. Your teachers and lecturers, they will decide how and when to deliver them so that they do not create the pressure of traditional exams. WJEC will provide information about both types of assessment well in advance so that your teachers and lecturers can ensure that you are well prepared and so that you're not expected to cram in the whole syllabus. You can be confident that all learners have the same level of challenge and can be confident in your qualifications as you progress into employment, further or higher education. There will be an appeals process and we will make arrangements to support private candidates. As always, we will continue to look at how we can support those who have been most affected by disruption to their learning. Finally, I want to reassure you that these are the only assessments that will count towards your grades in 2021, and there is no expectation for these to be done before the spring half term. We will provide more information to your schools and colleges for the start of the term, but for now, you can just concentrate on your learning and, most importantly, having a well-deserved Christmas break.